Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm hitting you with this vlog style of video. And what we're going to be getting into is some sneakers recently that I've been holding on to. Some are old ones that I've already discussed, and some are new ones that have just landed. So we're going to get into those ones since I feel like, some of you guys may be interested in seeing what I'm holding on to right now, seeing what I've been buying recently, and that's what we'll be getting into. So if y'all want more content about, sneakers, holding them, anything related to that, how to cop, be sure you guys subscribe and like down below. We got more videos like this on the way. Let's try and hit 200 on this video, and you guys can see tons of clothing backdoors and other, of course, undermarket sneakers. Y'all can see that right here, some undermarket Kentucky dunks, Plum Eclipse dunks for 100 per, and of course we got some Azure slides on the way for undermarket deals for members. And that's just one of the many things we offer down below. Free Chipotle codes, consistent brick flips so you can make money in between sneaker releases, flipping sneakers normally that don't sell. Our in-store monitors, you can check our outlets. That's an international feature, so you can use that anywhere in the world. And of course we have EU information, Asia information, Canada info, anywhere in the world that you are. HYPELABS is useful to you. So I hope to see y'all down below in the wait list. You get a response within 24 hours. And we can also teach you how to source, again, items like this on your own. Start getting bulk, so don't miss out. And let's get into it. See you guys there. And you also get access to our free app and autofill tools when you're in there. So another cool thing. But let's get into these holds. So definitely one of the first ones I do want to discuss right here. You guys can see we got a variety of pairs. You can see I got some size 10s. I got two size 10s. And then I got, some size 9s, one size 9. I got three size 10s right here, and then two size 9s, and I still got more of these on the way. This is the Yeezy Slide Azure. I'll let you get into breaking down this pair right here, and then we'll get into some of the other ones. But this is probably one of my favorite recent releases that we've had in terms of, just how they look. Easy, simple design. I just think anything like this is a safe bet over time, and also especially considering the fact that, these are, a great pair for back to school, and these aren't restocking again. Like, this is the last and only drop that we had for them. So, it's just going to get more and more limited over time. Slides always sell very, very well, and these are a little bit lower in price right now. So, they're a bit more affordable, and I think that's why they're going to continue to sell good. But just kind of one of the first ones I have. You guys can see again, I got a few pairs of these Azure slides. I got 5 at the moment, and I got more on the way. I just think, again, these are going to be a good play. Go look at the Onyx slides. Any other ones on their first initial drop and how they did over time, I see these following a very similar pattern, considering that again, these aren't being made anymore, so a little bit limited, once we give them some time. So Azure slides, lots of them selling right now, and in the future, I see that continuing. But you can see, set that back down right there. And aside from the Azure slides, another one, I've discussed these before right here. We can discuss them real quick. There are the Azures right there, but this is also another really great pair. And anything, Nike SB, I've, always kind of been, or not always kind of bad, but I've definitely been a fan of a lot of the recent work. And this is a little bit not as old of a pair, right? But from 2020, we've got the Catalonia, also known as the Barcelona SB Dunk Low. Probably one of my favorite, not one of my favorite SBs, but to be honest, this pair hits very, very well in hand. I got to say, one of my favorite portions about it. There we go. Just gonna make sure that's good there. But you guys can see the mismatching swooshes. That is just so clean on this pair here. Let me show you all that right there. So that's probably one of my favorite features of this one, and I see again these doing well just for that fact right there. I mean, they're unique. You don't see a lot of SBs that are really like that, so that's why I like these ones, because they stand out for that reason. Mismatching feature. Also a lot less of them out there right now, so good play. I also got a good deal. Paid like $190 on these. Market's like $250. Happy with that. But aside from some SBs and Yeezy slides, another one I got right here. I want to discuss these, but these, I know I've been looking for more pairs of these, but I did not get as good of a deal as, I know just on the other pairs that people are, asking for, or, the prices they're asking. I'm just not going to get as good a deal as I got on this one. I paid for this 10.5 W right here. Shout out my members in HYPELABS. I worked out a deal with somebody for this one right here. Ended up paying around I think 217-ish on this pair. So that's not a bad deal at all. Retails $150. Current resale on this size is around $280. And I know a lot of people are probably looking at this pair right now and going, y'all probably going, Tristan, why would you hold on to these? This is an ugly pair. But of course, there's a lot of unique features on these. First things first, you guys can see the rose embroidery right there. second thing I want to show you all would be the rose emblem. I believe that's on this pair right here. So you guys can see that. That's another part I'm a really big fan of on this sneaker. I feel like this helps it stand out a little bit more. You don't see that on a lot of sneakers like this. And also, these are lower stock. That's another reason that I'm really liking holding on to these. You only had 40,000 of them, right around that on sneakers. And also, these have a unique box. It's not even mentioned as that, right? It's a sneaker release, but they don't call it a special box release. So I think there's some features on this one that make it slept on. Big name, music artist Tiana Taylor. So again, I think these are slept on. Getting some pairs of these. So aside from the Tianas, another one I do want to get into right here. I think I know what this pair is. This is a Lottery Green Dunk Low. I actually do have another one of these. You guys can see right here, another Lottery Green Dunk Low, 7.5, 8.5, and I also have a 9.5. I paid $130 per on each one, all at about $160, $170 on market. I think 7.5 is a little bit lower, at like I think $150-ish, but still. Again, good hold. I think any lottery colorway, just because of the unique features, the scratch away coin and swoosh, makes it a good play. Here's that 9.5, so y'all can see that. But we got 3 pairs of those. Honestly, might get more. The prices haven't really been doing too much lately, but I'm cool with that. Give me some time to buy these. I know they'll be good in the future, especially the gray pair, but those are already a little bit higher. But aside from the lotteries, some other ones I want to get into. I've already actually discussed this pair plenty of times, so we're going to get over it really quick. Flash Reaver SB. Again, these have already been making progress. I paid around $190. I paid $185 on one and then $190 on another pair. The other pair you guys can see is right here. Another Flash Reaver SB Dunk Low. So definitely been getting some of these to hold on to just because, again, unique features, recent SB, and people have just been looking for anything with this name right here. So that's the main reason I'm holding on to these. But also, these are clean, just unique features. Embroidery by the heel right there, you guys can see. I like them, they stand out. And some other ones I'm holding on to right here. If these are what I think they are, yep, they are. And I got 6 more of these on the way. We got some fuchsia dunk lows. Again, I think around back to school, these will be an amazing play just because, parents are going to want to get these for their kids. It's a pink and white grade school dunk low. Does not get, more simple or better than that, especially, I could imagine, like, being in the position, as a father and, maybe my daughter wanting something like this, being like, man, those pink and white dunks, like, that's the, the shoe I want for back to school. And then, obviously you're going to try and do what you can to get, this type of pair. And obviously, if I notice somebody's, getting a pair for back to school, maybe for the kid, I'm not, going to try and like tax them like that. It's not the type of person I try to be. So again, this is just really why I see these being good though, and why I see them going up in value on apps. Is because a lot of parents are going to rush to apps to buy these for back to school. But even if it doesn't happen then, because a lot of pairs of these has dropped recently, again, I think during around Christmas, if they don't restock again, but that's the one risk of holding grade school dunks. So if you don't have a lot of capital, don't go buying a ton of these because they could restock easily again. That's a risk of grade school dunks before Christmas. But if they don't, these are going to skyrocket really high, back up to 180 to 200, maybe even more. No problem. It's a really easy colorway to wear. Local sales on these go crazy. Another pair I got right here. This is just a pair of Kobe's. I got a really good deal on these. This is size 8.5. This is a Kobe 4 Proto Wizenard, and I know I probably butchered that, but I know there is some details behind this pair. First reason would be the colorway. The reason for that would be, again, from when Kobe was playing. The series was called the Wizenard series, I know it's like I'm butchering the name very hard right now, but y'all can see there are some crazy details on this pair, and that's why I love these. It's just because they really stand out. But it's also a good pair of Kobe 4 Protos, and also I paid I think $290 on these. Size 8.5 right now is sitting at around $450 on StockX. GOAT, right about a little bit lower, but still, again, very happy with the price I got on these. Anything Kobe, just again, they're not making more of these. This is a pair, very rare. So that's why, I'm happy about this one. I know I butchered the name for them. I'm sorry about that. But, yeah, if you guys are, I'll try and leave a link for these down below so you guys can check them out, learn more about them. But this is from a game series. Not like from a game he played, but that's what the shoe is named after. It's like a series that Kobe is playing in, and it was called like the Wizenard series. So I know I probably butchered it, but yeah. There you go. And you guys can see the final hold I got right here. I got 5 of them. And the one I got 5 of would be the MX Cinder Foam Runner, because these are so low in price right now. Again, for a foam runner, anything MX colorway you guys can look at, right? These right now are sitting at like 130, 140. It's even lower in some sizes, which is crazy. But again, like some of the small sizes, like 9 to 10, like more popular sizes that sell a bit better, are going for a little bit more. Because that's how foam runners typically go. You want to go for the sizes that would have more sales, sell better, because they will sell for more. That just, it's a little bit different than other sneakers. But again, anything MX colorway over time is not under $200. So it's like, okay, these just dropped. Of course, they're going to be a little bit lower, but people are just quick selling these right now, and they're sleeping on them. So I've been getting a lot of these to hold, and you guys can actually see over here. I mean, I just showed y'all. This is size 12. I got some 9s. I got some 10s. I got some 11s. I got some more 11s and 12s and 10s. On the way, mainly 11s and 12s. But you guys can see I was just throwing out numbers there, but there was more sizes of these MX Cinders on the way. And I just think these right here are a good play. I think people are sleeping on them. I think people are quick selling, and this hits more like a UNC type of colorway in hand. So again, big sleeper, and some of the pairs I'm holding on to right now. But yeah, if you guys want to learn how to source more pairs, anything like that, get access to our clothing backdoors, international info, anything that we offer, drop pings, free Chipotle codes, daily undermarket sneakers for members. You guys can check it all down below at HYPELABS and learn the basics today. Start getting more holds, talking with our members, learn what we offer, learn your way around the group. That's, again, what we can help you do. We got one-on-one support. We can teach you how to bot, have botters run for you. I mean, you name it, we got it. There is so many things you can make money from. Really take advantage of the internet with us, and that's what it is. So learn your holds and get more with us. And, again, other profitable items. It's not just about holds. I just wanted to show y'all some of the stuff I'm holding on to right now. So let me know in the comments what you're holding on to. And again, don't forget, if y'all want to, you guys can subscribe and like down below if you're new to the channel. Just trying to 200 likes in this video. And sorry if I seem so tired right now. I worked 9 hours today, 9-hour shift. Don't forget, your boy has that job at UPS. So 9-hour shift today. We got it again tomorrow. So a lot of work lately, but that's what it is sometimes. You got to put in the work to see results, and that's what we can show you in HYPELABS. So I hope to see y'all again on the wait list down below, and do not miss out. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hope to catch you on the next video very soon. Peace.